Hey guys, it's Troy with DIY Home and Auto. Today's the day we clean out the bed of Wallace the 66. See what kind of treasures we have back here. Just kind of looking at the surface, there's a couple of hubcaps back there, and I have no idea what I'm getting myself into. But let's see what we got. So kind of at a glance, I have an old battery, a mirror, a tire iron tool of some sort, a filler neck, a couple of rubber tires back here, one's mounted, a couple that aren't, a hubcap from a great big, like a big rig. There's the hubcap I was referring to right there, some random blankets, and the rest of it appears to just kind of be garbage. I mean, all of it appears to be garbage, but we're gonna pull it out piece by piece. This thing is, I've already kind of peeked inside there. This is a treasure. So I'm gonna open that thing up and show you guys what that thing is. Pretty brittle. Well, you can kind of see what's happening here. This is a tiny little picnic table that folds up into, essentially the top of it becomes the carrying case. That's kind of cool. It's missing some little bolts here and there. And it's really fragile. This side over here is already broken, and I don't think that it would hold anybody to sit on it. Maybe some little kids or something, but kind of a cool little find right out of the gate. Let's get to cleaning out the rest of the truck. Oh, there you go. Brush. How convenient. Wooden stake in case a vampire comes around. Hey, trucker hat. Marshmallow munchie. A little brittle. Like the mirror from the passenger door, still with a piece of the door on it. Perfect. Set that aside as well. Oh, we're about to start crawling up in here. Let's see what else we got. Hornet killer, that's perfect. It's gone. I'm playing tennis in here. There's like, I don't know, 15 tennis balls in here. See? And there's several more over there. More hornet killer. More nests. Uh-oh. Kitty, no, or Pixie, no. No, no, no. Don't take it in the house. No! Dang it. That'll be a mess later. Alright, what do we got here? Whoop, heavy, whatever it is. Okay, that's random. Yeah. That is fire starter material right there. Just a bunch of sticks all bound together. Looks like something from decorating for fall or Christmas. I have no idea. It's garbage now. Floor in here doesn't look half bad, actually. Now that I'm down to it, there's some rust for sure. Look out, Pixie coming down. Whew. For goodness sake. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, that stuff was nasty. I walked right over there and gagged a little. If I've got the hantavirus, or whatever the heck they call that thing, the mouse dropping virus, it's too late already. I don't, just stop. A lot of that just in case. I don't know what we're doing here yet. Alrighty then. Let's hit it with the vacuum. This is the truck bed cleaner outer 4000. So the bed came out pretty clean. There's some rust, obviously, but You know, one spot there, surface rust throughout. There's a couple more spots up at the front that are pretty cancerous and coming clear through, but I got over here to this side and you can see it looks like it's wet. I thought at first that that was like oil or something, but then I noticed this battery. It was way lighter than it should have been, but it's got this big split down the side, and that battery was sitting in that corner. So I'm hoping that's oil, but it's probably battery acid. Don't know, not sure. I'm not going to lick it to find out or anything crazy, but I'm going to take some water to it. I may throw some baking soda in there just in case, so I can deactivate that if that's what that really is. I'm hoping not, but I don't know what else it could be. Where did the battery acid go? Probably right there. I don't know. Today I'm emptying the hot tub, which sits right there conveniently. I'm going to use the hot water from that to spray inside of there, to spray off our entire patio, and just get everything washed down. It's got, you know, some mild chlorine in it and whatnot. It'll just help kind of knock down anything that's out here. That's complete overkill, but I'm gonna drain it anyway. I might as well use it. So let me get set up for that, get the rest of this stuff cleaned up. I'm probably going to make a trip to the dump because I don't know what to do with all this stuff that I have piled around here. I've got these tires I need to get rid of. I'm just going to pay to have those disposed of properly instead of storing them for another 30 years. Might as well get rid of them now. Got some metal over there that we can salvage as well. I'm just going to take it to the dump and let them get the scrap price for it. But nothing crazy, but lots to do today. That little pump does surprisingly well. It's a 25 gallon per minute. This is 450 gallons. The only drain on it from the factory is this little teeny hose that you just kind of open a ball valve and it flows out from just the pressure from the drain down at the bottom. But that thing will operate in like a 1/4 inch of water. It sucks directly from the bottom. I think does pretty well. I'll leave a link for that down below. If you have a hot tub and you're want to empty it faster, it's a good way to do it. But I'm gonna finish draining that. I've got to wipe the whole thing out, start filling it. In the meantime, I loaded all the junk in the back of my truck. I'm gonna be making a trip to the dump. Here's the other end of that hose that's coming out of that pump. That hose runs all the way across there. It's a little bit downhill to this point from there. So it has a little bit of a gravity assist, but it just dumps out and goes clear down the street, down the gutter. 450 gallons, literally down the drain. The water did eventually drain from the front side of the truck. I didn't spend too much time in here like seeing how that auxiliary tank is attached or anything, but that thing's coming out. I'm probably gonna get a new fuel cell, put it back here in the back center down low. It'll free up behind the bed for other stuff, and then this will just be a decoration at that point. I'll leave something there. Might even just leave that there. I don't even care at that point. But get a new fuel cell in this so that I can get some good clean gas all the way to the front. Probably run new hard lines all the way up, and fuel filters and all the things that you need to get clean fuel to the engine. But that's another day. But for now, this is Troy with DIY Home and Auto. Please like, share, subscribe, do all those things. Love it. Appreciate you guys and your support. that's done. I gotta get that unplugged. Well, alrighty, now I can really get to work. Scrub that, make a trip to the dump, refill that, all the things. You guys don't need to see all that. Got the back of the truck all cleaned out. We'll clean out the front, the cab area in another episode. Not sure when I'll get around to that, but just wanted to kind of see what treasures we could find in the back of that. I did find another hubcap, so I have a total of 3. There's one on this left or driver's side rear tire as well. That one's pretty beat up. The other 2 that I found are in decent shape. So I have 3. No idea where the 4th is. I'm most likely not going to reuse them. So if you need those, comment down below. Reach out to me. Instagram at DIY Home and Auto. Follow me there. I post quite a few more things in the midst of getting videos edited and uploaded. Busy day job, etc. No excuses, just is what it is. But this is Troy checking out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks, guys.